We specialize in getting our customers financing on car loans through our bank no matter what their situation is. Bankruptcy, late payments, first-time car buyers, divorce, and repossessions are no problem. We can help. We understand that bad things can happen to good people, and believe that everyone deserves a second chance. Summers Auto Sales is not a buy here pay here car dealership. We can approve you for credit, and secure your financing and car loan with our bank, and help you establish, or re-establish credit with all 3 credit bureaus. In most cases we offer a 2-year 24,000-mile limited warranty included in your payment on the vehicle you select. We can help put you in that car you've been searching for. So challenge us, we are ready.